How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we have yet another stop sell recall from Honda, this time involving high pressure fuel pumps. So we have low pressure fuel pumps that we cannot get for a lot of the vehicles. Now we have high pressure fuel pump issues that we have no repair for as of the recording of this video. So vehicles affected are 23 to 24 Accords, 23 to 24 Accord hybrids, 25 Civic, 25 Civic hybrids, and 23 to 25 CRV hybrids. So essentially what's going on is that we may have an improperly built high pressure fuel pump. So it is possible that the high pressure fuel pump was manufactured improperly, which can cause the fuel pump to fracture, leading to a fuel leak. A fuel leak in the presence of an ignition source, aka the coils, may increase the risk of a fire and injury. So yes, this is a big deal. As of the recording of this video, there is no repair procedure. There are no parts available. So don't go rushing into your dealers because there is no parts to fix this. So there's no ETA either when those parts will be available. So Honda has just released an EPS recall last week. Now we have this high pressure pump recall going on. I think this one is a lot more serious, obviously, because if there is a fractured pump, that can lead to a fire, which is not a good thing and not something you want to hear about on your vehicle. But Honda is aware of this issue. They're trying to address it in a timely manner. So hopefully that does get addressed rather quickly. So again, there is no ETA when this repair will be available. So do not go and flood your dealers because they're not going to be able to assist you as of this date. So when the repair is available, Honda will sell and mail in flyers along with your vehicle will come up on a VIN status when you bring it into your dealership, and we will be able to perform the proper repair at that time. So that being said, I'll catch everyone on the next one.